Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm gonna go check on Kevin. He's actually got one of these KRX Blackout editions in his bay right now, and this thing is getting set up right. Let's go see how he's doing. My guess at this point, he's got it tore apart. I doubt he's even putting things back on it yet, but let's go check it out. As you guys know, the KRX has been a phenomenal machine for Big Pine Sports. We've been involved since the launch of the KRX, and that's just one of those machines that just works really, really well. Let's check out what he's got going on here. Pretty much everything you see is going to be going on this unit. You're already deep, Kevin. It's been a minute since we've had the dash off of one of these on video, so I wanted to pop back in here and see how it's going. For you guys that have a KRX, this is what it looks like under the dash. What do you think about the KRX, Kevin?
You know, it's always been one of my favorite machines to work on. It just opens up so easily, gives you access to everything. Hello everybody. Remember me? I'm still here.
He's still here. He's still the KRX master when it comes to installs. This machine, let's plug along here. There's the front. Very nice, very nice. So, headlight replacements, they're out of here. They're going RYCO, street legal kit. We've got heater kit. We've got tie-down hooks on the front. Heated seats from TUSK. We've got the overhead audio roof. So the Blackout edition does come with audio, but it's not good enough for this customer. So we're doing the full overhead audio roof and the interactive display and the rear speaker pods, and we're gonna tie it all together. It does come with the premium roof, but that thing's coming off, and we'll put it on a different unit. We've got the cargo rack going on the back. We've got A-arm guards, trailing arm guards, cargo tailgate box, tail light guards. Oh yeah, knee pads from PRP. We've got, let's see what's in here. Ooh. Sector 7s. Oh yeah, going with the Spectrums on this build. What else we got? We've got the Sector 7 wire harness, front and rear cameras, cab sill kit. Be sure and watch Kevin's other videos on the cab sill kit if you're going to install a cab sill kit. Lots of tips and tricks on there. Interactive display mount. We got the windshield wiper and washer fluid kit. It's also going to be getting pod lights, rock light kit, lighted whips, all from 5150.
You should be seen from the space shuttle.
Yes, and that's going to happen on this one. We're going to have the backup lights from Kawasaki. They're going to stay. The K-Glow option there, the 38-inch light bar. We're going to have some more lighting on the back. This is going to be a really fun build. We'll be sure and list out all of the accessories below. Let's get in the Kawasaki full glass front windshield, the Kawasaki full hard-coated polycarbonate rear on the back. Absolutely love that rear window. But yeah, this is what brand new KRX looks like when you pull the dash apart. He's getting ready to install the heater kit. Good times, good times. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We've still got to go pull some more parts. If there's anything else you would like to see go on this KRX, post up in the comments below. It's getting skid plate protection, all 35-inch Rockzillas, aftermarket wheels. That's all going on here as well. Did we miss anything, Kevin?
We're going to be throwing out some cardboard this week.
All right, let's do it. Have a great day, everybody. It's currently snowing here in Utah. The winter's been coming very late this year, but this baby is going to be a rock crawling beast when it's done. Have a great day, everybody.